guys, welcome back to another new video. This is Akash, you watching our channel. So guys, today I'm explain how to set up your OBS Studio basic settings and screen recorder settings or live stream settings. So new setup is now. I may start today's video. So now click on OBS Studio and I'm just click setting and I am just set up output on your screen record and stream settings. I'm just outputs, click advanced and stream record and audio. So I'm select stream. So stream is just normal default setting. Okay, just I'm click record. So record type is standard and custom output. So I need just standard quality. Okay, just record part, click browser and create a new folder and name OBS Studio, OBS, and hit enter and select folder and encoding format matrosa video. So just I'm click mp4 file and use your stream encoder and default setting. So now I hope you can do it and click apply and okay. So guys, this video I'll show you just general setup. So next video I'm showing how to other settings. So goodbye.